afternoon, students. Class 7 Maths, Lesson 7, Perimeter and Area. Now, what is perimeter and area? So, here I have one diagram, one rectangle. I can see that what is shown here is the blue color line as the boundary and the red color line in between. Now, what is perimeter? Total distance covered along the boundary. So, what do I notice here? Total distance. That means, say this is the total distance, this is the boundary, this blue color line, this is the boundary. So, the total distance covered along the boundary. So, this is called the perimeter. When we try to calculate this total distance along the boundary, this is called the perimeter. So, this is called the perimeter. Now, what is area? Area is the amount of surface. So, it is the amount of surface which is enclosed by a closed figure. So, we have already studied in our previous chapters about the closed figure and open figure. So, this is a closed figure. So, this area which I have shaded with the red pen, this area, this is called the area. So, this area which is enclosed by the closed figure, and the units of area are the square units, and the unit in which the area answers are written is in square unit, that is meter square, centimeter square, etc. So, what is the perimeter? From this diagram it is very clear. The total boundary, okay, the calculation of the total distance along the boundary. So, this blue color line, when we calculate the total distance of this blue color line, this is the perimeter. And area is when we try to calculate the amount of surface which is enclosed within the closed figure. That means this area. This is called the area. Okay. Now, first topic we will continue with perimeter. Perimeter of parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and square, they have different formulas. Perimeter of parallelogram is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of rhombus is equals to 4 into L. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. So, this is same as the parallelogram. Perimeter of square is again equals to 4 into length of one side. Since square is also, it has got all the sides equal. So, the perimeter, when we find the perimeter of square, what is the formula? 4 into L. Now, we will start with some example sums. Example sums. These sums are shown here. So, here you have this example sums where there are some empty boxes and you have to fill up. So, we will start one by one. The shapes are given, somewhere the length is given, the breadth is not given, somewhere the perimeter is given and somewhere the length is not given. So, we have the missing boxes here and we will try to find out. Now, suppose sum number 8, length is equals to 15 centimeter, breadth is equals to 12 centimeter. What is the perimeter of parallelogram? So, we remember the formula. Perimeter of parallelogram is 2 into length plus breadth. Length is already given, breadth is already given. So, we can find out the formula. 2 into length. What is length? 15. What is breadth? 12. So, 2 into 27. So, now when you do 2 into 27, you get here 54 centimeter. In the second example, perimeter of rhombus is equals to 64 meter. Length and breadth is not given. We know that the formula of perimeter of rhombus is 4L. So, 4L is equals to 64. This is already given. So, this is already given. So, we can find out what is the value of the length. So, length is equals to 64. This 4, it is equation sum. So, when from the left hand side it will come on the right hand side, this will be transferred into division. So, 64 divided by 4. So, length is equals to 16 meter. So, this is the answer. Now, let us come to sums number C. Length is equals to 7 meter. Perimeter of parallelogram is given is 24 centimeter. So, we are talking here something about called parallelogram. Breadth is equals to unknown. So, we can find out the breadth. We have the length, we have the perimeter. So, we can easily find out the breadth. So, now let us start doing the sum. 2 into length is given 7, breadth is not given, we have to find out. Now 7 plus b is equals to, so this 24, this 2 when it will be transferred here, it will be division, and then therefore 7 plus b is equals to 12, or b is equals to 12 minus 7, that is equals to 5. So 5 centimeter. So now children, the rest of the sum is in the same way and the pictures have been uploaded. So you can practice the other sums also of rhombus, rectangle, square, rectangle, square. So these sums you practice, and the sums have been already uploaded few days back. Now let us start with exercise 7.1.